Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Firewall again. Today I'm going to discuss a few things regarding the jobs what we get if you are good in the checkpoint firewalls. To be honest, it's been 10 years. I'll be working on a checkpoint firewall, uh, and I have seen too many requirements in a market for the only the a single device. Uh, if you know if you know or if you are very good at checkpoint firewall, the market is very wide open for you. So let's discuss what are the basic things we required to get started working on the checkpoint firewall. I'm sure if you are watching this video, you may be the newbie in a checkpoint world, and you wanted to learn the checkpoint firewalls. So how learn the checkpoint firewall? What is your beginning point? Where should you start, right? So when I started on a checkpoint firewall, to be honest, uh, I started with watching the different videos on the YouTubes and checkpoint site. You know I mean Start the watching the videos. uh, Try to prepare your own lab. To be honest, checkpoint firewall, they gives you freewares which last for 15 days, and you can create your own lab and you can play with the devices. I have one video mentioned uh, in my channel. You can check that and see how you can get a license if you want the checkpoint firewall lab to be extended for more than 15 days. I'll put a link in description, and you can refer that and go ahead with your extension of the license. uh, as I'm saying, like start prepare your lab and do whatever the small big things which understand after watching the videos. Just try to play with that. You know what, checkpoint site, they have a lot of admin guides. Go for that, look into the admin guides and follow the steps and try to create a simple lab. uh, Creation labs, it's not a big deal. You have a lot of videos, and it's very straightforward. uh, Within 8 gigabit of RAM and 200 gigabit of ROM or hard disk, we will be able to create advanced labs for the checkpoint firewall. Try to do that. Once that is done, just browse the checkpoint communities. There is a good community available, like a site like a checkmate. Register into that, look into the different questions and the solutions they have given. Just try to implement those solutions on that. uh, I'm sure in a few months time you'll be good at the checkpoint firewall, and after that try to go for the uh, checkpoint certifications like a CCSA, CCSE. Try to prepare for the certification, give the certification, and then you can apply for the job with respect to the checkpoint, and slowly look for the industrial experience, how the checkpoint firewall configure in an industry and how the security is imposed. So you can do all these things. uh, you know it's just a beginning. I'll be discussing a lot more on the checkpoint firewall world. There will be variety of the topics, variety of the interview questions, variety of the features, and lot of talks on the checkpoint firewalls. So I'm suggesting you to try to subscribe my channel and see if you gain knowledge on that. Also, I'll be planning free trainings on checkpoint products. Not only the on the basics checkpoint, things, but into the advanced level features like MDS, VSX, the trainings which you are getting from the paid services, but I'll be try to provide those training freely. I'll be doing a lot of live sessions where you will be get answered with your all the checkpoint queries. So please subscribe my channel, and we'll see you there. Thanks a lot for watching this video.